Hi, welcome to How to Repair. It's very important with Bosch and Siemens washing machines to run a maintenance program every so often. This is called a drum clean, and you have this function on the machine. It is specifically designed for you if you are washing at low temperatures. But did you know you can actually set the program up to remind you when to do a drum clean? Now, I believe this setting will automatically notify you if you have done 30 washes or more at low temperatures. And this is specifically designed to clean inside the drum. Now, I've done a video a couple of years ago on how to actually clean machines with mouldy door seals and getting rid of the residue that builds up inside the machine. But on some of these modern machines today, there is an automatic setting to remind you. So this video, I'm going to be showing you what to do and how often to do it. Doing a very hot wash occasionally is going to assist with cleaning the residue from inside the drum, and there is an automatic setting on the machine to show you how to do this. Let me show you how to go in and set it up. Treat the dial as a clock face. In other words, cotton is 1 o'clock, eco is 2 o'clock, easy care is 3 o'clock, and delicates is 4 o'clock. That's all you need to know. You will also have to use the buttons on the display, and they are sometimes time sensitive. Turning the dial to position 1, the actual display will illuminate. As soon as it illuminates, wait for the time of the program to come up. Then hold the start and reload button and hold it down while turning the dial to 4 o'clock. Let me show you how. Turn the dial to the 1 o'clock. The time comes up. Hold it down until it beeps. Turn it to position 4. And now you are on the drum clean setting. We are now able to hit the finish or the third button across to turn this into the on position. Then press start and it will acknowledge that you have entered this request onto the main program. To come out of this, turn the program to the off position. Now, I'm going to be doing a whole series of videos for you on how to enter diagnostic mode, how to fault find on these Bosch and Siemens machines, and also how to replace components. So do save the video for future reference. It will assist you if you ever have a problem with your Bosch or Siemens washing machine. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. Please remember to give it the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you wish, and remember you can always buy your spares for Bosch and Siemens washing machines at the website. Thanks very much indeed for watching.